Welcome back to this Bound's Garage. Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be installing a lift block kit in the back of this GMC. And this kit is a Mammoth 4x4 kit, part number S108531. And it's for 1999-2017 GM 1500 body styles. It's a 3-inch block kit. Installs between the axle and the leaf springs. This kit we're going to get a 2-inch lift because we already have the factory blocks in there. And this is what it looks like right there. Now there's an aluminum plate there from the factory that looks like that right there. So that's actually a 3-inch block that we're putting there, and it comes with the U-bolts and all the hardware that you need. So let's begin. First thing you want to do is support the rear end. So I have this on blocks on my jack, and it's being supported right over there. Take the tire off. First thing you do is take this VSS wire off, because you do not want tension on this when you hang the rear down. I'm going to use a panel remover tool right here and just pop this out. Just like that, and let it hang off to the side. Alright, so the beauty of this job is everything's 13/16. And go ahead and take this off. Now take the U-bolts off. One. And two. Alright, now we're going to lower the jack very slowly. So go ahead and lower it. Jeeves. Alright. Alright, now that it's off, the weight's off the rear end, you could grab this and pop it out. Alright, now this is what we're putting in. As you can see, it's smaller on this end, it's bigger on this end, so you want this tapered side to face the front of the car. And this knob should go down into the axle. So it's going like this. And make sure the knob from the leaf springs goes in on the top. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to pry this up with a pry bar and insert this block. Just like that. Alright, now if you really want to move it back and forth a little bit to get that knob to align with the hole over here, just pry it down and take the jack off the rear end and just go back and forth until it lines up and it falls into the hole. Alright, now the kit comes with new longer U-bolts. You slide those in. And these sit in the recesses over here on top. Another U-bolt nuts over here. There's a line down here. So that gets installed on the bottom like this, because this is a lock nut. So I'm going to go ahead and put a washer and a lock nut on all 4 of the U-bolts. And now you use the stock plate underneath to put all these in. Washer and lock nut. Hey Mo, Isha, can I get my nuts back?
Sure.
Thank you. Now I'm going to drive these up most of the way because the deep socket doesn't reach all the way up. And I'm going to go with a wrench, matching wrench on top to tighten it all the way down. So tighten her up, baby. and they're all tight. All right, now we're gonna jack it up. I put some wood blocks here. We're gonna go from this axle tube, we jack it up and put the shock in. So jack her up, Moesha. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. A little more. All right, hold on. Go ahead and tighten that down. And we're good. All right, now this is oval over here, so it's got to go in like that. And pop that in. All right, so the last thing I'm doing is we actually drove the car around for a couple of minutes, came back, and I crawled underneath, and I'm tying these down one more time, all four. And then we're done. So this is what it looks like. Truck looks real nice. It was also lifted in the front, the same height. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, share me. Also follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, Clowney969. See ya!